Hello everyone, welcome to Fundamentals of Programming course. In this first movie, I would like to show you how to create a Java program using Notepad and then saving it. After that, we will compile the program and see how to run the Java program using Java interpreter in our command prompt. For this purpose, I'm going to start my Notepad application, and first we will create a class, public class my first. The class will open with the curly brace and end with the curly brace, and inside the class there will be a method, main method. It is called main method is the gateway for the program. Whenever the interpret compiler or interpret runs, it looks for the main method. So it starts as public static void main. Inside we will have string array named args. For this also we will have the main method inside the curly braces, and there's nothing in the indentation. Just to improve the readability, we keep indented. So the first syntax is system out println welcome to fundamentals of. Let me increase the size of programming. So you can see here I have created a method called myFirst, and this method has a main method. This class has a main method, and actually it's a class, right? I've created a class named myFirst, and it has a main method, and then we have first instruction to display this text, welcome to fundamentals of programming, on the screen. To display text or a value on the screen, we use a print line method, print line method of system class, right? We will see what public means, class means, static mean, and void means later while we move through the course. For the time being, please make sure the structure is fine, and also keep in mind Java is a case sensitive programming language. Case sensitiveness means capital A and small a are different. Capital letters and small letters are different, not same. Okay, for example, if you say A, it is different from this A. Okay, fine. So we have created a simple program. Now I would like to save this. For this, I'm going to select this name, class name, copy, Control C. I'm copying it, file, save. Okay, already we have created a folder in my D drive. It is Java. The folder name is, I'm going to paste this, Control V dot Java. Don't forget this. This M is capital, here also M is capital, F is capital, here also F is capital, and dot is going to give the extension, file extension Java. At the same time, you have to make sure the save as type is selected to all files. Please make sure file type is all files and extension is Java. So my first .java. These names, these two names have to be same, no changes. If you type first as a small letter, it's going to give you trouble. So make sure the name is correct and click save. Okay, fine. Let me open this command prompt. I'm pressing Windows key and R on the keyboard. Windows key and R for run, R on the keyboard, and I'm going to type cmd and click OK. Now we have got this command prompt. This is also called as DOS prompt. This is DOS operating system environment, which is inbuilt in the Windows operating system. Now I'm going to change my drive to E, so I'm typing E colon and pressing the enter key, so that now I'm inside my E drive. I'm going to type dir, directory, to list all the directories available. So in my case, I am looking for a directory called Java. It is already created. So if you want to go inside this directory, I'm going to type cd, change directory Java. I'm now inside this Java directory or folder. Again, I'm going to type dir directory to show or list me all the files and folders available inside the Java. Here you can see my first is also available. So now I'm going to run these compiler. To run the compiler, what I have to do is to type the compiler names Java C, Javac, Java C, followed by a space and then my first dot Java, exact name you have to give, and then press enter key on the keyboard. If everything goes fine, it will come back to your prompt again, blinking for any other commands. Now let me type another syntax. Before that, let's see if there are any class files. Only one class file is available, test.class. Okay, I'm going to type Java. Earlier it was Java C, now it's Java. This is a compiler, this one is our interpreter or JVM. My first, okay, no need to give Java. Before that, let me show you whether this class file is created. Again, I'm typing dir directory. You see here, my first class file is also created. This is our bytecode. We created the source code and then we used a Java C compiler to create the bytecode. Here we have the bytecode. Bytecode is the code that can be run by this Java interpreter. So I'm going to type Java my first. No need to type as class. You should not, right? So don't type dot class, just type my first and hit the enter key. Here you see the output is shown. That's how it works. If you want to do any modifications in this program, go back to your source code, and again I'm going to type system.out.println. This is my first program in Java. Okay, cool. Again, you have to save it, not save as, save this. Control S is the shortcut. Click save so that our modifications are appended or added to the program. So I'm going back to my terminal again. I'm typing CLS to clear the screen. CLS, clear the screen. Again, I'm typing Java C my first dot Java. Compile this. Again, I'm going to type Java my first. Hit the enter key. Now you will see the modification is added and compiled again. So this is how we create the program in Java. Let me type exit and hit the key so that I'm exiting from the console. Now I'm going to show you how to do these in a web editor. Those who don't have a PC at the moment, you can use this web editor. I'm going to type Java online editor. Okay, Java online editor. So first you have this compiler, this online editor, online JDB. Click on that link. You will be brought to a screen with a JDB, online JDB with Java selected. Sometimes it might read with the different programming languages. Here you have to make sure Java is selected. Okay, Java is selected. It looks different, right? Let me refresh it. Okay. Yep. Now it is reading as Java. If it doesn't have any, or if it has any other types of programming language, just make sure you are in Java, right? Cancel. It will come. Come on, buddy. Okay, we have got this environment. I'm going to delete this. Please don't delete other things. Main, public main, class main. This is the default main class they have created. Don't make any changes. Here we have a main method. Here it is main class. So this M is different from this M. Don't get confused. Right. So our program is welcome. The first one is system out print line. I'm copying this. going back, replacing it. Please don't forget this semicolon. This is the line separator. Okay, now I'm going to click on run. Here you see, welcome to programming, when fundamentals of programming. Again, I'm going to copy this balance, copy, Control C, coming back here, press enter key and Control V to paste. Again, I'm going to click this run. You can also press F9 key alternatively. Great, right? So this is how you can do these programming with Java to learn the fundamentals of programming course. So please do more practicals. You can play around with this, like having these copied or something. No need to worry about the spaces, right? Please practice more and let me know if you have any problem. So we will meet in the next movie. Until then, goodbye.